Chisanyama koba kanjani walala wasala wavuka waferestana Iris wat ons maak ons braaivleis as jy wil vleis braai miskien jy het iemand nie wat kan vir jou help.
Is dat donkey vlees?
Dit is hierso. Nee, dis die donkey vleis iemand. Jy moet stap in dit hier vleis.
John is getting ready.
John, goeie.
Mariana. I think it's now on the coast.
Maybe. What's the look? The familiar that they did when I saw her. Put the meat on the side. Pausa kwa hiyo. You see nyama, this is nyama. Oyune nyama, you see nyama, oyune nyama, kudya nyama, chisa nyama. Koba kanjani, walala wasala. You see nyama, oyune nyama, kudya nyama. You see nyama, chisa nyama, oyune nyama, kudya nyama, washa, koba kanjani. You're a brand man. I couldn't have it, man. Put a brand on it. If it was supposed to be mine this meat, I could already remove it. But I like this meat.
Very.
No stress. Bring that lid here. Drink. Oh, so the person is having money. That's why sometimes God doesn't want to bless people. When you get the job now, you are having money because you put God as salary and say, wow, I like your master.